In this video, I will show you how to turn your Suno AI song into a music video in just 2 minutes with no experience in music video generation. First, head over to openart.ai. I have left a link directly to this page in the description. Then sign up and choose music video. Then click on singing video. Then just upload your song into this view, set the duration, listen to it once, and click on confirm. Then choose your artist. You can either use these pre-built artists from the platform, or you can create your new artist, which is what I'm about to do. So click on custom and then give it a name. Then just drop your artist image into this view. And if you don't have an image like this, you can easily create one using my prompt that I have left to the description of the video. To use this prompt, open up another window of OpenArt and click on image. Then click on create image and make sure that the model or character is set Nano Banana Pro. Then take the prompt from the description and copy paste it over here into the prompting window. And then here where it says insert short song artist description here, just remove that part and describe your song or artist briefly here. Then choose the number of images you want to create. For example, we can do 4 and click create. And for example, here is my favorite artist image, so let's use that. Now let's go back to the view where it allows us to create the music video, and let's drop the artist image into this view. Then just hit create character. Then you can optionally set the scene for this video, but I think you don't need to do that. Just make sure that the aspect ratio is correct. So for example, I'm going to choose 19:6 for a traditional music video that I'll upload to YouTube. And then just hit create full video. And here is your result. And if you don't like some parts of it, just click edit the story. This opens up each scene for you to edit. You can choose any one of these base images and click on retry image, or if you want, you can also tweak the prompt that is used to create this image. But if the issue is not in the image, but in the video instead, you can also tweak the prompt over here or hit retry video. And once you have edited all these scenes, it is time to preview the video again. And for example, here's the final result that I got.
Sparks in the dark, a neon light. Pacing forward, breaking time. Following the light, we flow. To a future that we know.
And that is how you make a fully customizable AI music video for your Suno songs from scratch.